Rakesh Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9. Chapter 4 Linear equation in two variables. Previous lecture I have explained the graphical method of this solution. Now you will see the exercise 4.3 question number 1. In exercise 4.3 question number 1 it is given draw the graph of each of the following. First question is given x plus y is equal to 4. So for the drawing graph, you will get very important things. You will plot a table. Table minimum 2. How many? Minimum 2 values. Minimum 2, maximum is no limit, but minimum at least 2. You can write y in term of x or x in term of y. How? By transposing x this side, y equal to 4 minus x. You can write this equation as y is equal to 4 minus x. It is called y in term of x. Y in term of x, or you can write x equal to 4 minus y. Now it is easy to put the value. X you choose by yourself 0, 1, minus 1. I am choosing x this. 0, 4 minus 0 will be 4. Y equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is the 3. And y is equal to 4 minus 1 means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. You can write 4. Then what will you get? If you write 4, then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4 minus x. So plot the graph. You try to draw the graph in graph paper. Here I am drawing by only guess. X, x dash. These things you will write first. Origin, two line vertical and horizontal. Then maximum value of y is 5, positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side of the line you will write. Same thing here you can write. Negative value is nothing. Here positive value maximum 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the possible? One more. One more we will take and write down. Here you write negative sign minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It is not needed that what you have taken 5, 6 you take. It depends on the numbers. You can use the less numbers also. So 0, 4. 0, 4 means it is 0 both, and 0, 4 it is a point which is known as 0, 4. 1, 3. 1, 3 is a point this. It is called 1, put dot where both the line intersect, and here you write 1, 3. Minus 1, 5. Minus 1 is here, and then you will go up until here. You will get minus 1, 5. And then you will get 4, 0. 4, 0 is this. You will write 4, 0. When you plot this and draw a line, you will get a straight line. By scale you draw it, and this here you write down x plus y is equal to 4. Second part is given. Second part of this question is given. X minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. You will plot it. First of all, what will you get? Table. In this, 2 is needed. X, y, 1, 2, 3. When we will put the x 0, if x will be 0, then directly also you can draw. Minus y is here. Minus y, if you write y in term of x, then here minus y is equal to 2 minus x. Or y is equal to x minus 2. If any confusion as it is, you write down 0 minus y, then y is equal to minus 2. Orally you can get 0 minus y is 2, then minus y is 2, then what is y? Minus 2. Orally you can get. And next one, suppose you are taking x is equal to 2. then 2 minus 2 will be 0. X is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, it will go 1 minus y is 2, minus y is 2, minus 1, 1, minus y 1, then 1 y is equal to minus 1. You are getting the 3 solutions. Okay? Easily you are getting 3. 3 is sufficient to draw the graph. 3 is sufficient to draw the graph. We will plot the graph. Very simply, you can get x, x dash, y, y dash. Beginning of the graph you write, then at least one chance you will not lose here for losing the marks. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, it is your value 0 comma minus 2. Then 2 comma 0, it is your answer. What will you write? 2 comma 0. And then 1 comma minus 1. It means here you are getting 1 comma minus 1. And you are getting a line which is passing through this. It is your line whose equation both the side had x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2 you are getting. Like this, the third part of the question is given y equal to 3x. What is given? Y is equal to 3x. Third part. Easily you can do it. Y is equal to 3x. Third part. Y equal to 3x, it is very easy to draw. Today in this you have very easy because x is given in the same side. Y in term of x. When x is 0, y will be also 0. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is minus 1, y is minus 3. Because 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into minus 1, 3. No need to show the solution. It is very simple. Because here your marks are depend on the graph. Here all the marks are depend on the graph, not on the solution. When your graph is correct, it means your solution is also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what will you write? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Only by guess I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0, 0, 1 point you are getting 0, comma 0. 1, comma 3, 1, comma 3 you are getting here. It is your 1, comma 3. Minus 1, comma minus 3 you are getting here. It is your minus 1, comma minus 3. So when you join this, you will get a line. You will get a line which is passing through the origin. And it is your graph. What is the equation? Y is equal to 3x. This is the equation y equal to 3x. Fourth part of this question is given. Fourth part. Simply you can draw fourth part. Fourth part is given. 3 equal to 2x plus y. What is given? 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This you can write y is equal to 3 minus 2x. You can write like this or as it is. I am writing y in term of x, transposing 2x this side and all I am transposing that side. So easily you will get. Next, what is the table? You will make the table for this. Very simple. Table we will make. What is the table? X, y and this. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0 will be 3. What are you getting? 3. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. at y1 1, you can write 2, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. 3 is sufficient to draw. If 3 is sufficient to draw, then what will you do? We will plot a graph. We will plot a graph x dash, y dash. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. Here 1 2 3 4. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. What is the first point? 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, and the 2 comma minus 1, 2 then minus 1 is here, it is 2 comma minus 1, and then we plot a graph which will pass through this scale by scale. When you join, you will get a straight line. It is your question. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. It is your equation. So you are getting 4 parts. All the 4 parts you are getting of question number 1. All the 4 parts you are getting question number 1. So 1 is over. Question number 2, 3 and other I will tell you in the next video.